Alright, let's introduce some bricks to the game. As you can see, I've already loaded a brick PNG file here into our images folder. Let's load that into our index.html. Now let's create a new class. Class will need a constructor. It will need an update function and a draw function. Alright, let's just copy some code from our ball class here. Pass in the game. We're going to get image brick. Don't need this. We will set the position in the constructor. We'll not have a speed because it's not moving. And instead of size, we'll have a width. Let's just say 52 and a height of 24. In our draw function, we'll need to take the context. We will draw the image, the position, and the width, and the height. Alright, now let's start adding these bricks to the game. In our game class, alright, let's first import the brick. Now let's create a new brick for an example. Give it a position. And let's add it to our game objects. Alright, so we now have a brick loaded into our game. Let's just see how easy it is to make lots of bricks. Our brick width was 52. So let's do this. Let bricks equal a new array. Let's do a loop of 10 times. And for each one, we will push a new brick object. The position of x will be I times 52, and the y position will be, let's say, 30. Now to add an array to an existing array, we can just use a spread operator. Alright, so that's all that's needed to have a bunch of bricks displayed into our game world.